What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one only tech boss. So today we just heard news about the iPhone 12. As you already know, I already did a video about this particular phone. You can click up there to check that video out. But we did a video on the iPhone 12 and we talked about it and I told you guys the specs, the design. We basically did a nice video about the iPhone 12 so you know what to expect when it comes back, when it comes out in September. But I've just heard news that the iPhone 12 will not be coming with any earphones or earphones. And not only that, it's not going to be coming with a charger or a charging cable or a charging brick. I'm literally speechless. Don't get me wrong, I'm not the biggest iPhone fan at all. I'm not even an Apple fan at all. I'm a Samsung fan. I'm an Android fan. But obviously, I'm a tech guy, and I like to know everything that's going on about the tech in the tech community or whatever. And iPhone, the fact that you're not adding a charger or a charging brick or even a charging cable in the box is just, to me, it's just mind boggling. I literally don't understand. And the fact is this, yeah, if they're gonna take the charger out of the box, the phone's just gonna come out as itself. And obviously, what are you gonna do about charging your phone, especially when it dies? So they're saying you have to buy the charger, the charging brick, and the charging lead as well. So imagine this: you walk to the Apple store, right, and you want to get yourself an iPhone 12. You walk in, get yourself an iPhone 12, and you have to buy a separate charging cable and charging brick for it. I don't know what Apple is trying to do here, but that is gonna throw a lot of the customers off. I'm sorry, but I don't want to feel the need to be going to an Apple store, picking up an iPhone, a brand new iPhone 12, which will be roughly, I don't even know, which would be more than £1,000 or $1,000. Yeah, I don't want to be going in, picking that phone up and having to spend another at least £50 or $50 for a separate charging cable and a charging brick. No, I can't see myself doing that, and I literally don't see a lot of Apple customers doing that. If anything, Apple customers are gonna start to die down because, because even I've heard from other people that are using iPhone currently right now. They've heard about the situation, and they're saying to me that, you know what, I need to leave Apple because, right, because I don't know if it's the pandemic. I don't know if they're trying to make more money because of the pandemic that's going on right now in the world. But this is not a way to go about it. You cannot sell a phone without a charging brick or a charging cable or an adapter or whatever. It's already bad enough that you're selling it without the headphone jack. Now you're gonna take away the charging port. Like, I don't understand. I honestly do not understand what Apple is trying to do here. I don't know what games they're trying to play. I don't understand what they're trying to do. But anyway, that's the latest leak or the latest update right now to do with the iPhone 12. I'm personally not happy at all because if Apple actually do go ahead with this, then other companies will follow along. And Samsung, them following along, then I'm left no choice but to look for another kind of brand of phone to move to because, yeah, because whatever anyone does, everyone's a sheep. They follow along. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyway, guys. Yeah, it's a little bit of upsetting news that, yeah, that's going to be happening. I'm not upset about Apple. I'm just upset that every other person will copy what Apple is going to do, and they're not going to be having the charging brick and the charging port in the box, which is just absolutely trash. But yeah, anyway, guys, yeah, don't want to really make this video, but I thought, you know what, my subscribers need to know this, especially if you're an iPhone user. But yeah, anyway, guys, if there's any more update and any more news about this whole situation, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Just like as well. Tell me down in the comment below. Tell me why you've disliked the video. And yeah, don't forget to go down there and check out my social medias as well. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so you're updated and YouTube tells you when I've uploaded a video. Anyway, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.